Good one, guys. That was a good one. Go do it again. James Rue, how was that?
Good.
Good. Zoe Ruski, how was that one? Okay. Go do it again. All right. Have fun, guys. What's wrong, bud? Keep going, bud. You can do it. Come on, James.